as I am climbing up, it's a short walk up here, very narrow. There is a nice pass over here. Behind me, you can see this building over here. This was once the customs checkpost. It is their property. So whenever you are coming here, just see that you do not disturb or do anything that's, littering and all that. But the beauty of this is there is this small fort, and as I am coming there, I will show you how strategic this particular fort was. This is the fort of Betul. It has this small little ramp. Possibly ramps were used to pull the cannons to this bastions over here. And you can see, I'm going to just walk around and it will show you how big this fort is, or this bastion fort is. And here it is, we have the cannon. Ladies and gentlemen, there are some nice seats, and I'm going to sit down over here into this beautiful little seat over here and tell you that this particular fortification, I will not call it a fort, this fortification was ordered to be built by Chhatrapati Shivaji in the year 1679 AD. But unfortunately, within a few months from his order, he passed away. So there is every possibility that he may not have even come over here. But it is said that this order that was given, or the farman that was given by Chhatrapati Shivaji, was carried out by the Havaldar of the fort, and he constructed this. We find a lot of literature in the Portuguese archives where they have objected to this particular fortification being constructed. But this small little fortification with one cannon could control all the trade, the ships that was coming from Arabian Sea into the Sal River and going to South Goa. So ladies and gentlemen, this small fort over here is very, very important strategically. Later on, the Portuguese took over this fort, and most of the architecture that we see over here is done by them. In the center, we have got a flag pole over here, and possibly it may have been used for some other reason. Now there is this flag. There is a friend of mine, Mr. Yogesh Nagvekar, from the History Lovers group, who has taken it upon himself to come here every year and to clean up the place. They clean up the place and they take care of it. They have put up a small board also over there. It is our duty also that we take care of certain of our heritage, so that our children in future can feel proud about it. Remember, most of the places were built by Goans, for Goans of possible different faiths. But that they were built by Goans, that we should not forget.